I'm Alexander Floyd.
I'm Bruce Floyd. Our company is Team Pressure Clean. We're in the Metro Atlanta area, North Metro area. First thing is we wanted to have a business that we could do together. I'm at a point in my career where I wanted to do something for myself and for our family. So that's why we formed the company. And when we started researching on what kind of business we wanted to be in, we knew we wanted to be an eco-friendly company, a company that supports green initiatives. And doing that, that's how we found this dumpster cleaning business. We talked and we did discovery on all the big players in this market. We were looking for a company that would work with us and moreover mentor us. We're not business owners. The first business we've ever started, our first business we've ever owned. In the new industry we knew nothing about. So we had tons of questions and we needed somebody that could mentor us and take the time with us to explain the business and its potential, as well as on the business side, give us all the guidance we needed in starting from scratch. From funding all the way through equipment purchase and training. So my advice is do what we did. Just understand where we're coming from and that we're very naive and not unknowledgeable of this industry. And so my advice is do that. Find a company that's willing to spend the time with you on pre-sales without trying to get you to sign anything or give you any obligation up front. There's very much of a learning curve for us, and we went with EcoWash for that. Greg and Betsy spent countless hours with us, Smith and me and my wife, on answering all these basic questions, and that's exactly what we needed. Of course, if you can find somebody that has a Kickstarter package that'll include your website, flyers, and that kind of stuff, those kind of things are very beneficial because it takes a lot of time to go out and research to try to figure out how to do it on your own. So this was we found that EcoWash was pushing the easy button for us. That's what I would advise folks to do. This is Team Pressure Clean. We're officially in business. Give us a call. We'd love to work with you.